replace a broken wall plate. Go ahead and take that off of there. Flathead screwdriver. Uh-oh, it's stuck on with paint. What do you do? Get a screwdriver in there and pop it off.
Well, this is a metal one, the other one's just plastic.
Get the wall plate. Does it matter which way you put it on?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Wait, if it doesn't go on smoothly, what does that probably tell you? That you haven't seated it properly? There you go. Should be able to screw most of it with your hand. Don't get it too tight. You want to get your other one in first. You want to get your other one in first. If you get one screwed in all the way and your hole's off up top, then it's not going to work. So get them both about the same. Okay, could you get a flathead screwdriver with a pointier tip, maybe? No. Okay, just screwed in a thumbnail, apparently. Okay. Don't want to over tighten it. That's just going to mess up the screws. And that's just going to mess up my thumbnail. Okay, well, make sure you got the proper tool, or else by trying to screw that in, you're just going to, all it's going to do is mess up the top of your screw head there. Okay, so that's how you replace a wall plate for a light switch. Thanks for watching.